We become what we think about, never take a day off. Never went to college, but at least I got this day job. On the road to fame, boy, hopefully you'll pay off. High school was the shit, man, every single day. I wish that I could go back in time and press play. I'm reminiscing about the time we hit the park and play. It's true when they say that after high school things change, so embrace your last years and make a toast to the days. Remember when you hit me asking for the fresh fades? Now I'm eating taco knuckle, grubbing on the fresh trays. We stay up in the studio like every single day. My boy Saucy told me like, what y'all do today? And I tell him hit Xavier, maybe cop a bottle or two. How we auto in the stew, so you know what to do. I'm just out here in my city trying to do something cool, something positive. I'll tell your fucking kids stay in school, but no matter what, at the end of the day, I'm just grinding for my parents trying to get this pay. Cause my family is struggling, knowing that shit hurts. About to take a different route without being at work. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile. Soon to be a king, never see me with a frown. I never knew life could be this sweet. It got me cheesing from cheek to cheek. And I ain't gotta wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Things couldn't get better, this gon' be the best day ever.
Reminiscing when we were living stress-free. Now every weekend we tell each other beer me. Saucy to my left and Pharaoh to my right. This is my team, my boys are good for life. Cause these two dudes, they like brothers to me. I got their back no matter what, that's what they mean to me. We went from sleepovers to hangovers, riding our bikes. Hopefully one day pushing Range Rovers. And if not, man, shit, we ain't tripping, take another swig. That is talking, I'm sipping and just sit back and talk about when we were young. Walking to the mall to throw AZ cause that shit was fun. But now each day goes by, we getting older. I'm playing my cards right, and I ain't talking poker. 19 years old, that's 2 years from 21. Think about my future life, what will I become? Will I one day be a cop? That's what I envisioned as a kid. Or will this music work out, and will I make it big? Then again, who knows? Might not ever make it, see the smile on my face. Man, sometimes I have to fake it cause I'm making a name. So people talk, damn, wish you the best, but talk shit when you not around. That's just what happens when they see people succeed. Bring you down to your knees, but nope, I keep it moving on my feet. Always looking forward and never looking back. Just a kid with a dream trying to put us on the map. Always looking forward and never looking back. Just a kid with a dream trying to put us on the map.